Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Math Magic. So today's question is find x. 5 to the power x into 25 to the power x minus 1 equals to 125. So let's see. 5 to the power x as it is into 25 can be written as 5 square whole to the power x minus 1. Okay. And 125 can be written as 5 cube. So there is a formula that is a to the power m whole to the power n equals to a to the power m into n. Using this formula, we can write that 5 to the power x into 5 to the power 2 into x minus 1 equals to 5 to the power 3 implies 5 to the power x into 5 to the power 2x minus 2 equals to 5 to the power 3 as it is. So there is one more formula that is a to the power m into a to the power n is equals to a to the power m plus n. Using this formula, we can write that 5 to the power x plus 2x minus 2 equals to 5 to the power 3 implies 5 to the power x plus 2x will be 3x and minus 2 as it is equals to 5 to the power 3. So see, both the bases are same, that is 5. Okay, so we can say the powers must be equals. So 3x minus 2 equals to 3. 3x equals to 2 goes this side. 3 plus 2 that is equals to 5. So x equals to 5 by 3. This is the answer, guys. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.